Om Shanti. Essence of Murli. 2nd August 2025. Sweet Baba says, Sweet children, never become tired and leave the pilgrimage of remembrance. Constantly make effort to remain soul conscious. In order to become sweet and draw the Father's love, stay in remembrance. Question: what effort must you definitely make in order to become 16 celestial degrees full and perfect? Answer: consider yourself to be a soul as much as possible and remember the Father, the ocean of love, and you will become perfect. This knowledge is very easy, but in order to become 16 celestial degrees full, you must first have remembrance to make yourself, the soul, perfect. By considering yourself to be a soul, you will become sweet, all conflict will come to an end. Song is: You are the ocean of love. We thirst for one drop. Essence for Dharana. Number 1. Don't attach your heart to this old, impure, dirty world that causes sorrow. By holding the Father's hand you can go across. Number 2. In order to become a bead of the rosary, maintain a lot of courage and make effort. Become a swan who selects pearls of this knowledge. Don't perform any sinful actions. Blessing for today. May you become an elevated server who achieves success in the service you do by having the consciousness of being an instrument. Details are: the consciousness of being an instrument automatically brings you success in the service you do. If there isn't the consciousness of being an instrument, there is no success. An elevated server places every step in the Father's footsteps and makes every step elevated by following the elevated directions at every step. The more all waste is finished in your service and in yourself, the more powerful you accordingly become, and such a powerful soul achieves success at every step. An elevated server constantly has zeal and enthusiasm and also gives enthusiasm to others. Slogan is: offer yourself for godly service and you will continue to receive thanks. Om Shanti. Avyakt signals. In order to be an easy yogi, become experienced in God's love. The string of God's love pulls you close from far, far away. This is love that gives you such happiness that, when you become lost in this love for even a second, you will forget all the many sorrows and will continue to swing in the swing of happiness for all time. The Father has so much love for you children that all your desires for happiness and peace in life become fulfilled. Not only does the Father give you happiness, but He makes you into a master of a treasure store of happiness.